Annuities may be a useful tool in your retirement income toolkit, but they're no substitute for a plan. Now, an annuity is simply a guaranteed money stream in your mailbox every month. The most common way to get that check coming your way is to make a contract with an insurance company. That's really what's happening when you buy an annuity. You're making a contract. You may either give them a lump sum of money, for example, $100,000, or you can make a series of payments to them, such as $1,000 a month over a series of months and years. Then they take your money and calculate what size check they can send you each month, guaranteed for life. Because they're performing this calculation on a large pool of people, they can use life expectancy tables, averages, to figure out how long the money is going to have to last on average. That's why they can safely make the for life guarantee when such a promise would be very risky for any single person. I mean, what if they live to be 110? Well, as most people age, their appetite for risk decreases. And once they hit the exit door at work and enter retirement, that risk tolerance really takes a plunge, again, in the average person. The reasons for this seem obvious enough. Since they're no longer working, the money that they've managed to save and invest is all the money they've got. It's got to last, no room for error. And for this reason, a guaranteed and predictable stream of income looks mighty attractive to most retirees. On the other hand, once your income is set, well, it's set. There are no do-overs. So if we see a return to runaway inflation, which seems admittedly like a million miles away right now, but, well, that steady income could end up buying less and less of the things that you want. And so for these reasons, I'd say the people that I've seen in retirement who are the most content with the source of fixed income to cover their base living expenses and the nest egg of guaranteed savings and conservative investments that can pick up the extras, whether that means unexpected needs or planned wants. Mary, for example, had about $1,000 a month coming in from Social Security, and she told me that she wanted another $1,000 of guaranteed income. Being a single woman, she wanted to know that no matter what, her basics would be taken care of. Mary also had some money in a retirement plan, which she and her advisor had put into a portfolio that would likely grow over time, but that they both knew she didn't need to access right now. This balance works just right for Mary, but it works because she and her advisor first made a plan for what Mary wants and needs in retirement, and then they set about executing the plan with the most appropriate financial tools available to them. For Mary, an annuity was one of those tools. Annuities can be a powerful and efficient part of an overall strategy, but they are no substitute for a well-conceived plan. So don't confuse the tools and the blueprints. Offering you wisdom on wealth, I'm Byron Moore. Hi, this is Byron. Thanks for listening to the podcast. If you like what you've heard today, why don't you forward this podcast to someone that you think might also benefit from listening? Also, you can access more podcasts and columns, blog posts, and videos on my website, www.ruston.argentadvisors.com. That's Ruston, R-U-S-T-O-N, .argentadvisors.com. Go to the Wisdom on Wealth tab and access these resources. If you've got a question for me, then just send me an email at info@argentadvisors.com. And finally, maybe you're someone who wants some help with your financial situation. I only take on a limited number of new clients each year, and I can only help you if you're teachable, and I only want to work with you if you're nice. But if that sounds like you, and you're someone with $500,000 of investable assets or $250,000 in annual household income, and you're looking for help designing a plan to protect and grow and enjoy your wealth, well, then I would invite you to reach out to me. You can send me an email at info@argentadvisors.com. Just type the words preview meeting in the subject line. My office will be in touch with you to make arrangements for a phone call or an online meeting or an in-person meeting, whichever is appropriate in your case. Well, thanks again for listening. See you next time.